What's the book called, Science?
Pig made me sneeze. Pig made me sneeze. Gerald. When you want to do it, I want yes. What? X1. Out. A ball. Swim. Are you okay? I don't know. I can't stop sneezing. Sneezing. Oh no. What pig made me sneeze? We're trying more softly. Sorry. The pig do make me sneeze. Now I can't be near you. You can have me pin away from the other page. But you're no, do not speak. It's too late. I point. Goodbye. Zero. Huh? Are you okay, Jill? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pig will make me sneeze. And Piggy's a pig. Piggy's also my best friend. Achoo! Little cat made me sneeze too. Fun. I think I might say, I don't think cats make sneeze. I think you have a cold. Oh, cool, you are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, Dr. Cat. Oh, thank you, Doctor. Pee-pee,